Hello everyone, Nasser here from Financial Markets Club. I think it's time for me to do another video on the Nasdaq 100 because I think the situation's evolving quite rapidly on this. So on my last video I was talking about how the Nasdaq 100 pushed back up, and I was talking about how it might just push a little bit higher to around the 13,000 level and then edge back down. But unfortunately that didn't quite happen. That was the peak there around what was this number? Yeah, that was the peak there around 12,935-ish. And then it just started to drop back, and as we all probably know, the drop was happening largely because of the upcoming interest rate decision by the US Fed, which came in larger than initially thought at 0.75% increase on the interest rates. So there we are. The market sort of factored this in, and I think we're very close to the end. Actually, I was sort of calculating how Nasdaq could fall down to around 11,000. We're around 11,200. That's close enough. I can't be absolutely certain if this is the absolute bottom. It's very well possible that it might push down just a little bit more, a few hundred points more, before showing us some signs of pushing back up. So I'd have to watch today's trading session and tomorrow's trading session to see how it evolves. But we're basically pretty much at a bottom, and I can see the market sort of reversing and heading back up to retest their highs. And for the Nasdaq, we're talking around the 15,000, 16,000 sort of level. It will be interesting to see how or what sort of triggers this. It might be the case that we see some good news flowing into market. It's always the case where we have a period of bad or negative news coming into the market, then we have a period of good news coming in. Once we do see a push up back to previous highs, I think it'd be an opportunity to get in for a very, very good sell on the markets, because the market should come crashing down quite significantly lower than this level when they do come back down. So for now, I'd like to just watch for a couple of days and then possibly take a long position, stay on the bullish side of the markets for the foreseeable, for the coming few weeks actually. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.